Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with
You can open
it. Ibhaliwe. Ibhalwe ngesilungu. Pregnant.
I'm back with Usamge Kwela announcing her pregnancy live on TV, and we now know that Mseleko is still fertile. So girl planned everything. Ngahamba vacation umuntu wakhe, but mabafika vacation isho ukuthi announce pregnancy yakhe kuMusamseleko, and the guy was so happy. He couldn't wait until bayotshela uMacele indaba ezinhle. And uMacele nobusisi bakhe once said, ipeni lona liyabhala kodwa ink ayisekho. I think bebasabaqabanga ukuthi hayi Musa vele seka-infertile, uhlulekile ukuzalisa umangwapha, uhluleka ukuzalisa umayini. So might as well, don't worry, ngo-number 5. Kanti no, ipeni lisabhala ne-ink isesekhona. And Umusa was so very happy, like bengakwazi ukuzibamba. Ama-fans bebalowa busy besho bethi that's why aphathwa i-stroke, ukuthi ujabule kakhulu ngendaba ka-number 5. Guys, akudlalwa kanjalo. But nje we say congratulations to Makwela and Umusa, cause ukufika kwaMakwela ufike wayenza exactly lento eyenziwayo ukuthi uma uqeda ukuganwa kumele uzale. And she was busy joking around noMacele. Ubona ukuthi i-relationship kaMacele noMakwela i-right. And ukubonisa ukuthi nje bayazwana, uMakwela was like, please sicela usigadele umntana sibe senze abanye, cause i-aim kaMusa ukuba nabantwana abayi-20. And uMacele was like, yo, as long as nizozala abantwana babafana, I'm just happy nimletheni umntwana. And people kuma-comments nama-fans wabo Mseleko, they were like, guys, uMacele are just acting like umamezala light, and she's in denial ukuthi u-acta njengomamezala kodwa u-acta njengomamezala. And I think okujabula kwaMacele ukuthi laba bafazi abajabulanga, kanti bayizwa ipain yena bekayizwa all along. And let's just hope vele u-happy for uMakwela, guys. Hayi ukuthi wenzele ukuthi nje ajabulise uMusa naye abe ku-greater side and all. And uMusa continued further on ukukhuluma ukuthi yena angeke akwazi ukuya esibhedlela ingane mayizalwa because of i-situation yakhe. And she was told ukuthi umntwana nje mayazalwa akudingeki ukuthi uMakwela athi umntwana wakwaKhwela, umntwana wakwaMseleko, ethanda engathandi. Hope noJohn Macele ukuthi ayiphindaphinde le ndaba. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.